ZonGym electric protein shaker bottle. So this is a 24-ounce USB rechargeable blender bottle. So this is great if you have any protein mixes or anything you like mixed into your beverages. So it's made with a Triton portable blender cup. It's got different levels for measuring inside of your cup as well. A very powerful motor. Could be great also for milk powders, oat flours, any kind of fiber supplements, or just water soluble powders in general. So it's got an IPX5 waterproof high capacity battery on there, extended blades to prevent any sedimentation, just to ensure everything is blended properly. It's 100% BPA free material, 2 hours of charging time, and you'll get multiple uses off each battery. In total, you should get about 5 years of battery life. Plus, it looks super sleek. You can see I did the purple color here. They have quite a few different other color variations. Total weight of it about 1.5 pounds, but very durable material, as well as it being super easy to clean. You can unswitch the bottom, give it a quick rinse. You can put the bottle right into the dishwasher as well. Ultra high speed mixing, having two different modes. One press can get the 30-second spin. Two quick presses can get it to last about 100 seconds. Works great. Love the attachment. Check it out.